Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon, and welcome to Knowledge Talks, a weekly entertainment and knowledge sharing program aired live specifically to share with you topics that contribute knowledge to the society. Now, every week, Knowledge Talks hosts and invites guests that are experts, professionals, and leaders from the field that bring wealth of knowledge to you. Knowledge Talks also highlights and promotes talents in the country that contribute knowledge and success to the nation. This program, ladies and gentlemen, is a weekly session that I will have with you every Tuesday. I'm your host, Tariq Al-Barwani, along with our studio engineer, DJ Ayub, for an hour bringing you free knowledge at your doorsteps on Oman Radio FM 90.4. Now, stay tuned after this music break for today's interesting knowledge topic. Welcome back to Knowledge Talks, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Tariq Al-Barwani, along with our studio engineer, DJ Ayub, with you here live today on Oman Radio FM 90.4. Okay, do you know what it takes to create, organize, and run an event? Well, this week's Knowledge Talk session will revolve around event organization and event management. And my guest this week is Ustad Mohammed Al Kindi, the managing director and the founder of the local Match Media Company. Match Media Company is one of the pioneering and is 100% Omani owned company that focuses on media and event management. It provides high quality and innovative media services by proficient Omani team who are creative in feature and style. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Ustad Mohammed.
Wa alaikum salam. Thanks a lot for your introducing Mr. Tariq, and I wanted to thank Oman FM channel 90.4 that's give me that chance to talking about myself and about Match Media.
The pleasure is us. In fact, whatever I have spoken is very, very little, because mashallah, when we had our discussion before this interview, and then I came to read about your profile, and I saw the great activities that you are doing in Oman, and also the expansion that you have done. MashaAllah, they are wonderful, and أتمنى كل نجاح دائما إن شاء الله.
Inshallah.
Now, I don't want to be the only person who have heard the great news or who knows about the great news. Let everyone in Oman, inshallah, know about the great thing you do. To start with, I would like to know about Match Media. If you can tell us what is Match Media.
First, I wanted to say hi for everybody hearing me, and also for my family, my friends, anybody know Mohammed Al Kindi. Match Media, it's one of the best company here in Oman in organizing events, and we did a lot of events and conferences within last 6 or 7 years now. Match Media is prouding that its staff is 100% Omani. They perform and execute its work and business since 2008 until now. It's a pioneer company, as you said, in business of event organization management at present time. Our company is starting very small.
Okay.
I'm starting with my friend, Mr. Al Hassan Subhi. My regards to him. Okay. We're starting with nothing. Okay. I was working in SKU, Sultan Qaboos University.
You are a staff in SKU?
I was.
What were you doing?
Now I'm free for my business.
Yeah, but what were you doing in SKU?
I was as a computer scientist. I graduated from computer science, from College of Science.
As a computer scientist, mashallah.
And my minor is business administration. My friend Al Hassan, he's in media actually. He's graduated from media, also from Sultan Qaboos University.
Yeah.
We're starting this company with one event with the Ministry of Tourism. We didn't have any things in that time actually. We work with our friends. We delegate the things with our friends. Everyone's special in something we give him. Okay, and we're starting small, and we get a benefit from that from this event.
Right. Yeah.
And in November 2009, we start with a small office in Al Khair.
Okay.
With two guys, Margaret to them also, and one designer and one lady. She was a coordinator, and we starting like that. After that, now, alhamdulillah,
you've grown big.
Yeah, we're growing. Now we have a new location in Al Ghubra, and it is quite enough for us. Okay. And we are dreaming to
go even bigger.
Yeah, going and covering Oman and the region, inshallah.
Inshallah.
In the next,
what I like from you, Ustad Mohammed, is the vision is big. I can see from you saying we started small in the university, SQU, you're a computer scientist, and then you thought in your mind that we want to go big, and then you went into an office, and then finally now you have a bigger office, mashallah. What made you go to an office? You and your friend Al Hassan.
Yes.
In SQU, you said we'll go. You were doing the activity, and then you felt that this is good. What made you go and open up an office in Al Khair? What is the reason?
The reason that we see the market. There is a lot. Yeah. I saw the market, and it was. There is a lot of chances in the market. You know, the government, they said about billion of Omani riyals that's tendering a lot of projects, a lot of conferences in the ministries, a lot of conferences with the private sectors, a lot of events in that in the field. So we think that there is a chance we have to catch it. Okay,
Very
we
good.
have to get our chance from the market.
Yes.
So actually we have to plan. First we plan what we wanted to do after 5 years now. We started in 2009 and we make a small plan until 2014. And also there is a smallest plan for each year actually from 2009 to 2010, 2011, like that, and we have achievement, and we wanted to get that's our goals, our aims in that years. And we celebrate with that achievement actually. It is planning, executing, and after that repeating the things and reviewing the things. It's like that. When you make the things in proper way, so you get the chance. It is easy to go into the market, but the difficult things to be there and to be one of the leading company in the market, because there is a lot of competition with the other companies.
Yeah, they say it's easy to go in the track, but it's difficult to remain on the track. One needs to keep always, I think, working hard and keep on updating and innovating themselves. But I can see of the kind of things that you have done, mashallah, which we're going to talk about the projects during our show today. You guys have done a lot of projects. Did you have an experience in did you take a training, for example, in event management organization, or was it something out of passion?
Firstly, it was like an experience. I was studying in SKU.
Yes.
And we did a lot of events there.
In SKU? Or for the students?
Yeah, for the students. And I worked with a lot of societies there.
Yeah.
Okay. And so from that events and we get the experience actually.
Yeah.
After that also we got a lot of courses in that. Okay. Not only for us, also for our staff. Okay.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, we are caring about our staff to be
knowledgeable
best,
as well.
Yeah, the best in the market. Okay. We want them to be like,
the best in the market as well.
Yeah.
And where did you take the course?
Some of them is here and some of them is abroad in Dubai or UK or whatever.
On event management and organization.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. What other services do you offer? So if I know that Match Media is a event management company, one of the best one, and I want to come to you for you to service me as a company or as an individual. What can you do for me?
Look, a lot of people, they have the idea. Okay. They wanted to do something like a conference in the education or something, or a conference in any field or something like that, or they wanted to do an event for their staff or something like that. Okay. we'll do, we take the idea, okay, make it in the proper way, make it in the track, make the branding of that events, make the things really doable, so the people like it. Our slogan is "Leave it on us." So
I like that.
Yeah. So the client is coming to us, and after when we sign the contract, we
do
everything for him.
Yeah.
He will come to the event and see all the things is organized well.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have to talking with him about some of the things. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe he prefers something like he preferred the seating like that, or preferring something like that. So we talking with him and get a good link with him.
Yeah.
So after that, our product, which is the event, it's coming. We wanted to coming perfect because you know. When you organize any event, and if there is any missing things, small things, minor things, the people, they don't talking about all the
good things. They look at the bad things.
Yeah. So we try to avoid that. And to do the best, actually.
Yeah, I like that. I like that, and I respect that.
Yeah, our services, it is we make it from designing, branding, designing, also multimedia services, also translations, event organization management, photography, video documentation, photography documentation, whatever, and a lot of services which is all is under event management and media campaign also.
MashaAllah, which is under the brand of Match Media.
Yeah.
Can I ask you this? Why Match Media? Why not Media Match, or why not Match Point? What is the reason of Match Media?
Actually, it is an old story, and we stay with my friends, Mr. Hashar and Al Hassan, and we wanted to make the name of our company, and we did a lot of names, and we tried to make some. It is like games, okay. And after that, we know Match Media is the best because we matching between the customer and what it needs.
Oh, I like.
Okay.
I like
also, we matching between the people in the events.
Yeah.
We matching between us and our customer. We matching between us and our staff. So we match ourselves. That's Match Media.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I really like. What is the aims and the goals of the company? What are you aiming to do in your goals?
Actually, our vision to provide high quality and innovation media services by professional Omani cadres, which are they are creativity, and we wanted to be as innovation in this field, actually.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of objectives. One of our objectives is as we are written, actually, and our company, it's Omani, for Omani. Okay, all our stuff is Omani. We can hiring non-Omani may. Okay, if we didn't get the Omani person from the market
with the same skills.
Okay, so we care about the quality, but we prefer to hiring all the Omani people. Okay,
yeah, and right now it's 100% Omani teams that you have.
Now our team's 10 now.
Oh, you got 10 people in your team. Yeah. How did you? Well, before I go about that, I want to look at the team profiles that you have right now. What are the team profiles that you have?
Actually, our team are professional. We have designers. They have their certificates from College of Design, and one from Kuwait also has come, and some of them are event management, some of them are marketing people, some of them are accounting, so all of them are professional in their fields, actually. So they work as a team, okay, and we like to work together, actually, because we are maybe in the same age and with the same culture, and
that's good.
The thing is going easy, and also we are going easy with the customers, because our customers, the Omanis,
Yeah.
a lot of them are Omanis. So so it is it is easy to talking with them.
Easy to deal, easy to communicate, understand each other.
Yeah, like
very
this.
good.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
I'm very, very happy to hear all these great things. We're going to take a quick break before we continue our sessions today. Welcome back to Knowledge Talks, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Tariq Hilal Al-Barwani, along with our studio engineer, Ash-Shabibi, with us here on Oman Radio FM 90.4. Al-Arimi, indeed. You know, I do get old sometime when I get missing on that. Now, we are back with our very interesting session today with Mohammed Al Kindi on Match Media, a 100% Omani-owned company that looks at event management. And as we have seen before the music break, that Mohammed has started up this business when he had a passion, along with his partner and a friend, Al Hassan, where they were studying at the SQU, and they've been doing the activity over there, which is creating and organizing events. And they said, let's go out there, let's create a company. And yes, they've created a company, and today is one of the successful companies here in Oman. Mohammed, what are some of the projects that you have worked on since you have started the company?
Oh, we did a lot of projects actually. In this year we did maybe around, until now, 7 events.
7 events, mashallah.
Yeah.
For this year itself, 2005, you mean 4 months?
15.
Wow,
Okay, yeah.
mashallah.
So we are so busy with a lot of events.
Okay.
We wanted to thank everybody who support us,
Okay.
from the ministries, from the organizations.
Mm.
We know that it is like a challenge for us, okay, but we'll do it, inshallah.
Inshallah.
We did a lot of big events, like the first and second Sultan Qaboos Prize for Culture and Arts and Materials, which is under the Diwan. It
MashaAllah.
was the first prize for the Omanis, the first year, and second year for the Arab people. Also, we did the Government Performance Development Mechanism Seminars, which is organized by Ministry of Civil Services. Also, we make the ceremony of inauguration of the Muscat when it was the Arab tourism capital. It was in 2013. We did a lot of events with a lot of organization from outside, okay, like Aqua from Jordan, like that's the Arab Stock Exchange conferences with that's the organization from Lebanon, and it was, I think, in 2014 or something like that. We did our event, which is belong to us, which is Al Wafa Festival.
Okay.
Yeah, it is for 2 years for Islamic Anashid, which is we did something different in this field actually.
Yeah.
And now the Ministry of Cultural, they will do the project in Nizwa.
Oh, mashallah.
Yeah, inshallah. And we did a lot of projects and like that.
And you're very happy about it?
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah.
It is like an achievement in our life. So when we did the project and delivered it to the people, and the people are happy,
and you're happy as well.
Yeah,
obviously. I mean, that's a very great thing to hear. Ladies and gentlemen, the number to call in is 24602058. That's 24602058. And my friend Al-Arimi will be awaiting to hear from you. So now, setting up the company requires definitely funds.
Yep.
How did you go about setting the company if when you were working at the SQU and you did not have money? Because you're students, right?
Mm.
How did you go about setting up the company?
Look, we're starting small. Okay.
Okay.
We know that's our funds is not that much. Okay. So we're starting small. We get the project with a small amount, like 50, 100 riyal, 200 riyal, 300 riyal. That's when we're starting.
Yeah.
After that, the project is coming
They keep on coming.
Yeah, keeping coming.
Good money is coming in.
Coming, big and big and big.
Yeah.
We have difficulties, and that's in the cash flow.
Okay.
But we manage it by ourselves. That sometimes with a good relation in the market, you have a good relation with the print press, good relation with some carpenters, so good relation with some other companies who's working with us. So they are working with us in credit. Okay. So we work like that, and after they trust you after a while of time, because we work not on only one project, in different projects. So we get difficulties, but now also alhamdulillah, also they support us. I know that's I was working in SQ, and my salaries was very nice in alhamdulillah SQ, but I think that's it's better to work in my own business, because you can gain more than the salaries. On the salaries and the relations and a lot of things in our field.
You can hire more Omani, you can support Oman, you can build a better economy. So mashallah, you're doing a great job.
And actually I asking the Omani young people to go into the market and don't be afraid about that. There is a difficulties, but you have to build your country. You have to gain from your country. Alhamdulillah, we have a lot of benefits and a lot of chances, because look, Omani people are trusted people, not only in Oman, also in the region. Okay, we have to think about the Gulf countries. They have a lot of market in the Gulf, UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain. So we can go there by our civil by ID card. Okay.
Yeah, true.
But why we didn't get that chance and get some of the projects from them? Why we leave our market to the companies that's coming from outside? And we are not, we are open mind, but we have to get our chance. This is our chance, actually. Okay. And when the Ministry of the Finance, they said the government, they will spend $100 million in 5 years, where it's going. Okay. So you have to think about that. You have to think about
your role in going and getting these opportunities which is out there. I like that.
And when we're hiring any of the Omani people, so you open
opportunities,
a home for them.
You open home for them. I like that. I like it. And you have 10 people working in your team now.
Now. And we are looking for more than that, inshallah. If we get it's we do it like step by step, inshallah.
Okay, how can we send you our CV? How can I send you my CV?
You can send it at match.oman2010@gmail.com or muhammad@matchoman.net.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's an opportunity where you can apply to one of the great companies here in Oman on event management and organization, and it's doing a fantastic job so far here in Oman. And as Muhammad mashallah said right now, it is a home for you to come in and learn and also to serve.
We train a lot of people from a lot of colleges. Okay, sometimes one time we make one project in 2011 with 25 people. They're coming from a lot of colleges.
Oh, for training?
Training in the summer for 2 to 3 months. They gain a lot of knowledge from that, because what our training, not only that you are working in the theory things, we try to give him the chance to go into the market.
Okay, very good.
And to do some of the small things in the events. Okay, like that.
Okay. What made you, I know you answered this question, but just to level up a bit more, what made you feel that you want to leave SQU and do your own business? Is it because to create more relation, or is it to get more money, or is it what was the reason?
Look, first I'm starting my business, and I was an employee in SQU.
So you were still working and you started the business.
Okay. and we're starting small, but and I was last time I was like a project manager in SKU. I leaving SKU, and after that I also joining with one of the big companies, GBM.
Okay.
IBM, yeah. I joined for them to learn the to make
an organization, an event,
and no, not an event. To learn from them how the business is going, the big company.
Very good. So to learn how, good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and they are very nice people, and my regards to them, Sam, and the people there.
Yeah.
And after that, I think that it is my time.
Yeah. To go out and have your own business. You felt that was time to go.
And also
start.
I have another companies now with the Nakhal Ahliya investment company, which is for all the local people from Nakhal.
Okay.
And I'm the chairman there.
Okay.
In that company. Also, I have I am a partner in the TechWin IT company.
Okay.
So I have other business now. I know that's how the business is going.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. So you have a number of businesses, not only one.
No.
This is one of your businesses.
Yes, now. But I'm managing this company.
This you're managing?
Yeah.
So
this is my core, actually.
This is your core?
Yeah.
Who are the owners of this company, Match Media?
Me and Mr. Hassan.
You guys are owners of this company?
Yes.
Okay. And the other businesses, you're owner as well?
Yeah. We took some shares in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. MashaAllah. That's really, really good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a quick break. The number to call in is 24602058, but that's after the music break. Welcome back to Knowledge Talks, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Tariq Hilal Al-Barwani, along with my friend, studio engineer, DJ Al-Aremi, with you here live today on Oman Radio FM 90.4. Interesting discussion today I have with my great friend, Mohammed. A lot of insights and a lot of learning about the business and how he has grown up from a student to a graduate to a great business owner, mashallah. We talked about Rafid as people who have supported you in the business. What was the support and how did it go about? What I would like to hear from you is your experience on someone right now, because we know Rafid supports people, SMEs business. Your experience dealing with them, and how can someone go about approach them, and what are the steps?
Okay. As you know, Rafid, they wanted to support the Omani people, the SMEs actually, and they like to support anyone who has a good ideas or have a good business. Okay, they wanted to make successful stories. Okay, so when I'm hearing, I heard about them. I think that's me. I can go there and take the chance. Okay, to be big. Okay, to be bigger than before. So I went to them. They wanna from me the business plan and our profile, so many things in the papers. So we provided for them. After that, they told us that they need to make an appointment with us, so for the interview. So we make the interview with them within 4 to 5 months. Okay.
After you have submitted your proposal?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. And within 2 days after the interview, they said,
approved.
Yeah, we approved.
Come collect the money is ready.
Okay. But no, the money, they make it as stakes, and you buy something like any equipment or something like that. So they will pay for the supplier.
Supplier directly.
Yeah, directly.
Okay.
Some of the money they give you cash, and some of them is for the supplier for the equipment.
Okay. What about the salary of the team members, the operational cost of the business, and everything?
Mm-hmm. It is they can support you in that area, but not in the full amount. It's about 30% or 40% of the amount.
Okay.
It's like the operational things, which is cash.
Yeah.
But the other things, it will be for the equipment, because it is more less risky for them actually.
Yeah.
If you give the people money as
salaries and all that,
may they lost it in a lot of areas, and they will not do they will not buy something which is like an asset for the company.
Yeah.
So they wanted to make the risk as low as possible.
Low as possible.
Yeah.
But now, let's say if someone has a business, let's say event management. Event management, most of the thing that you do is ideas, right? Ideas generation.
But you need some of the Mac equipments. You need some of the audio or video equipments. You need some of the translation equipments. You need a lot of things. You can.
So those equipment. That makes
you
sense.
can buy the copy machine. You can buy a lot of things. You can spend in that.
Yeah. So the biggest chunk of money goes to equipment, tools, but not on humans and people.
Okay. But maybe they changed their policy. I don't know.
Okay.
But in our case, it was like that.
It was, but it was very good.
Yeah.
I mean, it was very good, and it definitely helped. And how do you compare it to a bank, for instance?
No, the bank, and it's something else. Because what they give you a chance for 2 years, or 1.5 years. Okay. And also their benefits is
the interest is very small,
and it is not going high.
Okay.
So it is only
fixed.
Yeah, fixed. So which is good in that with our policies. And but the bank is a different story for us actually.
Yeah.
We didn't go to the bank.
You didn't work with the bank, yeah?
No.
Do you advise anyone to go to the bank?
No.
I hope the bankers won't get upset with us. No, jokes aside, I'm very, very pleased to hear with that. Now, tell me one thing. If you get an opportunity today, a company has opened up, a new company, and it's an event management company, international, that came in Oman, a big one, and they invite you or hire you as the CEO, would you join them?
No, I don't think so.
You were thinking about it, so maybe yes, maybe if they give you a good salary.
Yeah, it's been to that, but if it is in event management, and my company is an event management, so I'll see what is the benefit if I'm going there, and what is the that's because it's coming like a conflict of interest. Okay, so it is difficult for me actually.
And this is your baby. You know that soon this one will be bigger than that one, right?
So I don't want to take this risk.
MashaAllah. How many hours do you spend in a day now? I want to know from the business side, from an entrepreneurial side. I think that's the right word. Entrepreneurial side. How many hours are you spending a day in the office?
In the office, we're starting from 8 to 5, and there is 1 hours as a break. This is the official things, but sometimes we stay in the evening because some of the events we take the hotels or something like that at the event evening time. So we have to start working from 9 or 10 o'clock in the evening until morning. So sometimes we're working like that, but in that time we take a rest in the morning or something like that. But in the most time we're working from 8 to 5, and after that we have our families, we have our friends, we have to do a lot of other things, not only the business in our life.
And in a year, how many times do you travel? As in going for holidays also?
For holidays or for business?
No, business, holiday. So can you leave the business and go for holiday?
Yes, sometimes.
You do that, and then you don't call back to the office or anything, or check what's going on?
No. I don't leave the projects or something like that.
I know the project. I mean the office.
We can. I have my employees, and they are very nice, and they can care about all the things.
I like that. I like it. You are one of the first who have said that, and I really like it with all the interviews. So you can definitely go on leave with no problem.
Yeah, inshallah. Because they care about a lot of projects. Okay, some of the projects I don't know about it. Okay,
Mashallah,
because we delegate the things to them. They have a good experience, enough experience to deal with a lot of things. But some of them I have to be in the business because some of the project is very big, I try to care about it by myself. I try my best to delegate the things to the
team members. Very good. That's a great leadership. Mashallah. Do you think business education is necessary for someone to run a business?
Yes, sure.
Without a business education, you don't think it's...
No, you can do something, but not that big. Okay? If you educate more, you can make something more.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like that.
Yeah, I know you have a minor in business administration, and that really, really helped. You think it helped you run the business, right? Because you need to understand about your capital, your expenditure, your cost, your team, and leadership, and all that.
Look, there is an experience and there is knowledge. Okay.
Yeah.
And there is education. The knowledge is what the mixing between the education and the experience. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get one guys who has a good experience, but they have a lack in the knowledge because what their education is not that much. And also on the other side, also you got some of the people who have a good education, but they have no experience. They
haven't worked somewhere, tried the activities, so they don't have experience.
So and of course, and I'm asking the people to educate more, and to also to work more. Okay, to get a good knowledge.
The best of two worlds.
Yeah.
Now tell me one thing. How do you market your business?
Maybe word of mouth.
Oh, very good, and that's very powerful.
Yeah,
Word of mouth is a great.
Yeah, but also because maybe because we have a good relation with a lot of people now. Okay, now the business is looking after us.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. The people they calling us, but also we seeking about that the tenders. If we get any tenders from any newspapers, so we buy it and we make the proposal and we fight to get it the tender.
Yeah,
okay.
mashallah.
And also there is sometimes we make the event by ourselves. And we bring the sponsorships, something like that. It's depend.
And it has worked very well, I think. Yeah, mashallah. Out of the many tenders that you have registered,
yes,
how many have you won and how many have you not won or got?
Yeah, I don't have the percentage exactly, but it is about maybe 60-40%.
Okay, 60-40, okay.
Yeah, 60 is we lost it. 40
Okay.
we get it.
But still you're doing very good in business. Which is alhamdulillah, which shows that there is a very big market opportunity out there.
Yes.
That is happening, which is very good. Now tell me one thing. What do you advise entrepreneurs who are out there, who are running their businesses? You are an entrepreneur. What's your general advice to entrepreneurs?
To have a vision, actually. To know what they want to do. Okay. And to work hardly. Okay. And to get their chance, actually. And to leading our country to be the best. Okay. And to care about all the things, about not only about the business, also about the humanity, about their friends, about their families, about their and the businessman he has to be a good man before he will be, before that's to being that's as a businessman. So I think a risk from Allah. Nobody can
take your risk.
Can take your risk, inshallah.
Inshallah ta'ala. What a very powerful advice from a great entrepreneur, Ustad Mohammed, who is with me over here. Is it 1, you need to have a vision. 2, you need to work hard for it. Number 3, you need to lead Oman to be the best. And number 4, you need to care about all the people, not just by being a businessman, but care about the humanity as well. MashaAllah, and I really respect that very highly, Ustad Mohammed. What are your future plans and goals, inshallah?
Regarding to the Match Media, we tried to, me and my partner, Mr. Hassan, we tried to open a new branches.
MashaAllah. Okay.
And not in, now we are in Muscat, but now we wanted to cover all Oman from Salalah to Suhar to Duqm, Nazwa, and also we wanted to go to UAE, Qatar. We wanted to be we wanted to be in 2022 in Qatar, inshallah.
Inshallah.
We hope so, but this is our vision. I don't know.
As long as you have the vision, inshallah, you'll reach it.
It is like a dream for us. And also Saudi Arabia, we see it is a big market.
Okay.
Okay. And we have good friends there, and they wanted to, to join with them to make Match Media not in Oman only.
Yeah.
And we try our best to make the company as big as we can.
Yeah, as they say, aim for the moon, reach the sky.
Yes.
فإن شاء الله أتمنى لكم كل التوفيق إن شاء الله في الدنيا والآخرة.
إن شاء الله.
Ustad Mohammed, thank you very, very much for joining us today on Oman Radio FM 90.4 to share with us about your great entrepreneurial journey and success. I would like to take this opportunity to wish you and all the team members, please send my salam to each one of them, all the very best, inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah. And I wanted to thank you again and thanks everybody who support us. And inshallah, also I wanted to thank our clients. Special thanks for them because without them we are not get these successful stories. And inshallah we hope to do something for this country which under our big leaders, His Majesty Sultan Qaboos. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of our program for this week. I hope you all had an intriguing time with us. Let us catch up again next week on Tuesday, same time, for an hour of knowledge session. I'm Tariq Hilal Al-Barwani, along with our studio engineer DJ Al-Iremi, with you, wishing you all a happy and a pleasant week. Ma'as salama.
Thanks.